Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the keyboard settings. From Home, open Settings and go to System or Additional Settings, then tap Language and Input. Once done, choose Virtual Keyboard or Manage Keyboards to list installed input apps. Make sure you know which keyboard app you use, for example, Gboard or Tecno Default. This first step gives you direct access to text correction features. Without it, you can't change autocorrect behavior, so confirm the active keyboard before moving on. You now open the active keyboard entry shown in the list and tap Typing or Text Correction. Look for autocorrection and next word suggestions. Toggle autocorrection off to stop automatic replacement. Also disable Suggest Text or Suggest Contacts if present to reduce unwanted inserts. If you see a personal dictionary or learned words section, you can edit or delete entries. This prevents frequent wrong replacements. Once you adjust these options, the keyboard will stop altering words automatically while you finish by backing out of settings and testing typing in notes or messages to confirm autocorrect is disabled. If the change seems not to take effect, force stop the keyboard app and reopen it, or reboot the phone to apply settings. Make sure the keyboard app is up to date via Play Store. Outdated builds sometimes ignore toggles. Quick troubleshooting tip: if autocorrect persists, clear the keyboard app cache and data. Then reapply the text correction settings. That resolves learned word conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.